The command block. The hardest thing to get used to. But I will teach you how to use it. So chain means a sequence of command blocks that happens one after another. So if this impulse command turns on, it will activate the chain one. Next is repeat. It happens over and over until you deactivate it. Impulse means normal, not repeated, no chain, just normal. Always active means it always on, never turns off unless you turn it off, and on repeat it's crazy. Conditional means it only turns on after another turns on behind it, like chain. Hover note means the name. Delay and ticks means delay. Previous output means it shows the command that you used last time output. Lets you know if it's right or wrong. Command input means the command you want to execute. The @SFP stuff means the person you want to execute the command on. Here's how to get a command block. That's it. See you for part 2.